Greetings everyone and welcome back to the Horde. I am Misal Dragon and let's go pack an order. This is my very first order from selling stickers because I started selling stickers recently. This person ordered 4 stickers in total. So here's me getting them and getting them together. They're pretty shiny, they're holographic Xerneas stickers, and I decided to include an oopsie sticker because I cut into the back leg there, but you can't really see it because it decided to be blurry on me and I couldn't get the camera to focus. But I couldn't get it to focus, so after that I just decided to get the freebies, which there usually comes 2 to 3 in each order. So that's one of them. Here's another, and 2 stickers came out, so I have to put one back. But here's the rest sticker, which is a self-help sticker that I'm hoping to turn into a line, and 1 metal horse that could be like a thing on a bracelet. So I have to use both hands to pack all of this into a Ziploc, which I decided to use because I didn't want them to get wet in the rain that was coming around here. You can see me struggle a bit to open it, and then I put all the stickers in there and anything else that was going to be in the order. I decided to fold the bag over because it was big enough, and then I wanted to make sure it fits, so I put it in there, and next you'll see me add the other stuff. The other stuff consists of a handwritten letter, which only the buyer will get to see, and some cardboard from a box, a card box from like Pokemon, to make sure the stickers don't bend too much, or if they do bend a little, it might be okay. I also tried to put on the outside, which you won't see on this, do not bend, because I don't want the stickers to be bent. This is also the first time I've ever packed an order, so please tell me how I can improve in the comments. I'd love to hear improvement suggestions and critiques and all that. But I believe this is to the end, so thank you very much for coming with me on the first time I packed an order. Have a great rest of your day. So long!